Okay, another thing that's also going to be incredibly important, and we're going to use it all year, mixed into different problems, no matter what, are angles that form a straight line. All right, now these have another name that I'll write down here in a second, but angles that form a straight line. I've changed in the last couple of years, and I stick to this name just because sometimes there's more than two angles. That what this used to always get called, and I used to call it this, was a linear pair. You're still going to see this written down, all right, but a linear pair is typically two things where we can have three angles, or we could even have four. We're probably never going to have four in a problem that we're going to do, but we could have three angles, and those three angles could all form a straight line. All right. So you can see here it says two or more angles that form a straight line. They're adjacent. It says they're supplementary. So let's make sure we get the important things here. Two or more angles that form a straight angle or a straight line. All right. Their measurements are supplementary, means they add up to 180. All right. So let's go down here in the picture. Now, there are several pairs of them, but we're just going to pick out one pair so that you can see what I'm talking about. This angle right here, the yellow one, and that green one together form this straight line across the bottom. So what that allows me to say is that I'm going to do this two ways. I'm going to do yellow plus green equals 180. All right, so the yellow angle plus the green angle equals 180, which is angle ABE plus angle EBC equals 180. All right, and this is something that I'll start kind of looking at doing when I go through and do some equations. For right now in this file, we're just going to recognize these situations. I'm going to write down because angles that form a straight line add to 180, or I could use supplementary there. You can use SUPP to abbreviate supplementary. All right, so I'm going to be seeing these things throughout there. There's more pairs that form a straight line in there. And again, no matter what the diagram looks like, this is going to happen in a lot of diagrams.